Welcome everyone. I wanted to show you a new reel trick that I just found out from one of our TK teachers. And here we go. So the very first thing is you have to have your lesson up, or if the students are sharing, it really can be anything, but you have to have a whiteboard in the background to paste it. So once you have it here, make sure that your tools are activated and you are using this mouse, not your pointer mouse. So you have to make sure you have your tools up and you have the mouse clicked, not any of the other attachments. The next step you need to do is on your keyboard, you're going to press the Windows icon, Shift S. Once you do that, as you see here, the little snippet tool appears and you're going to click on whichever one you want to use. I'm going to use a rectangular snippet to crop up my dollar. And now once that is put in place, I am going to press Control V. And make sure that you click on your whiteboard. And you can press Control V as many times as you need to. And it continues to paste the same item over and over. And now you have a movable icons without having to save them or do any uploads. You can take pictures right on the screen if maybe you didn't prepare to have movable icons or one of the students deleted it. You do not have to go through all the steps and you can have them right then and there, and they work the same way as if you had previously uploaded them. And this is the best part. Once you paste them onto your worksheet, as you can see, I do not have this on my playlist. My playlist is completely empty. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of it and pull it back up. Click play. Those movable icons become part of the lesson already. Just thought this was awesome for impromptu movables, and frankly, it feels a little bit easier than the other method. So I hope you use this and enjoy.